enjoy being an entrepreneur. So I think these are all guidance, and the ultimate question is, what should be my short-term and long-term strategy? And you have to really analyze the way you then spend your time in eating, sleeping, and personal habits, socializing, reading TV, and all that. And once you analyze the way you spend your life every day, you can then create time by stopping doing things which you should not do and creating time to spend on new things you should do, to learn new things which will move you towards your career. So please do a time utilization survey to develop the discipline. And as a first step, once you realize what your purpose is and you deeply care about, you've chosen your learning strategy, you can then choose what should be the sources of this learning and how can you get meaningful information to act on answers to these questions. And so this is a point, therefore, I introduce you to a new subject, because many of the students who have potential students for the School of Inspired Leadership, I believe, are also present on this particular webinar. I think higher education of the quality you choose, for example, the one which we do at SOIL, helps you to know yourself better. It helps you to develop your own learning agenda. It should broaden your perspective. It should help you to form networks, like we have the 40 of the best companies who work with us through different consortiums. It should provide you with some mentoring and coaching, and it should help you to develop opportunities of a diverse kind. I think this education should certainly strengthen your character. It should not just focus on your IQ like some of the business schools do, but it should also focus on EQ and creativity and the spiritual dimension that SOIL does. And it should be completely focused to helping you to develop a custom-built plan to improve your life, not just your career. And so I think I would end with this particular slide to say the institution you wish to study further, like the one we have in SOIL, we have a curriculum that is really helping you to prepare better for the future in both workplaces and in your life. And therefore we carefully choose faculty from all over the world who come to teach. And we work very, very close partnership with the industry, because everything we do in SOIL is co-designed with industry. And for every student, there is an individual learning plan. We are the only business school, I think, in the world, which for every student has an individual mentor who is a senior leader from industry, who spends time once in a month with the student to help him to develop. And we give a lot of focus on developing leadership dimension, not just knowledge. And so I think the quality of peer group that we attract in SOIL is very unique from that respect. And therefore,